A Gad Wod Dis, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, me I go read from the book we name Acts, chapter 2, from verse 1 to verse 13. When Pentecost day come, all of the people will believe in Jesus. They gather up in the same place. All of a sudden, them hear one noise a come from the sky. The noise sound like when one trang breeze a blow, and it full up the whole house where them did sit down. Then they see some sitting where look like some little fire where shape like tongue can rest on every one of them head. The Holy Spirit take control of all of them and give them power for talking in some different language. Now, you did have some Jew where all ways of worship God and we come from all over the world. The whole of them did a stay in Jerusalem. When them hear the big noise, one crowd of them gather up. Then did well shock because every one of them did hear in a for them own language what the believer them did I say. Them did so shocked, them couldn't believe what them did I hear. So they asked, wait, all of them people here we talk. Now Galilee they come from. So how come every one away I hear them attack in a few own language? The language where we talk from we are picnic. Everybody hear their own language. People will come from Parthia, Mede, Elam. People will come from Mesopotamia, Judea, Cappadocia, Pontus, and Asia. People will come from Phrygia, Pamphylia, Egypt, and the part of Libya, where near Cyrene. People will come from Rome and just a tande little. People were Jew and people were ton Jew. People will come from Crete and people were Arab. We hear the whole of them attack in a few own language, but the powerful sitting them where God do. Cause them did so shock and cause where them the ear, they confuse them ask them one another. What all of this mean? But some of them laugh after the believer them and say, a junk, man. Then drink too much wine we just make. A God Wod Dis.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.